Okay, let's do problem 8.1.13. The claim is that most adults, so that's P greater than 50. That's the claim, so that's in the alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is less than or equal, or just equal. So most adults would erase all their personal information. A software firm survey of 524, that's N. And P hat is 64%, so 0.64. So clearly P hat's greater than 0.5, but let's see if it's statistically significant. So we're going to open up StatCrunch. Yeah, right. Thought we were. There we go. Okay, so stat. It's a proportion, one sample with summary. Now, we don't have the number of successes, but we can calculate it with our trusty calculator. So we will put in I got to reset it. It ain't working. Give me a second here. All right, so 64% of, I forgot already what it was. 64% of 524. So we're going to round out to 336. 524 is N, that's the number of observations. The null hypothesis is fine. We just have to change this to make it a right tail because it says most, so that's a right tail greater than. See right there on the alternative. So compute. So they want the test statistic. The z-stat is 6.47 to 2 decimal places. 6.47. So we're way in the right tail. That's over 6 standard deviations. I'm not sure why it says we're wrong. Let's see if we can figure it out. You know what? Maybe I should put in 335. Let's see if that makes a difference. We'll just change that to 335. And now it's 6.38. Let's see if that's what the problem is. It's a problem, but yeah. I just rounded up instead of rounding down. I've always rounded up. You can see that I should have did a better job of rounding. So 6.38 is the Z. It's still pretty high. You can see the p-value. Oop, that's it. That's all there is to that problem. All right, so if you don't get it right on the first time, use a different value for the number of successes. We could do this one. Let's try this one. Fewer than 91% of adults have a cell phone. That's the claim. So P is less than 0.91. That's the claim. N is 1200. So we need the calculator again. Only this time we're going to do 0.83. See, 0.83 is a lot. It seems like it's a lot less than 0.91. Let's see if it's significant. So this is a left tail test. Oh, this one's nice and even, 996. So we can't screw that up. 996, open up StatCrunch. I just edit. So the number was 996. N was 1200. P was 0.91. And the alternative is less than, because it says fewer than 91. Compute. So we shouldn't have a problem with this one. The z-stat's minus 9.68. Negative 9.68. And it should be right. Yep. All right, so there you go. 8113, 8114. Very similar problems. Hope that helps out. Dr. K out.